Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We got a hydroelectric plant generating power. We want to find the electrical power. They give us the volume flow rate, which is 66 meters cubed per second. That is your V dot. Your height or elevation is 91 meters. The overall efficiency is 85%. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We got a dam at 91 meters. This is our starting point. Then it goes to the turbine and generator. That's our end point. And our efficiency is 85%. Step 2, lists all the given variables, find the unknown. We're trying to find the electric power. So that's W dot electric. W dot being work flow rate or power. The overall efficiency, volume flow rate, and elevation are given in the question. Step 3, find the electric power formula. So W dot electric is equal to eta overall, eta being the Greek symbol for efficiency, multiplied by the max power, or W dot max. Step 4, we need to find the maximum power formula. So we want to find the mechanical energy. So if we break that down, it will be the mass flow rate multiplied by the specific mechanical energy. Both of these are unknown, so we need to first find the formula and then find out what they are. So let's start with the mass flow rate because they give us the volume flow rate, so that's a starting point. Step 5, find the mass flow rate formula. So m dot is mass flow rate is equal to rho, which is density, multiplied by volume flow rate, which is V dot. So this is a dam. We're going to assume the water is at a lake. So we're going to assume the water density is 1,000 kilograms per meter cubed. Step 6, find the mass flow rate. So 1,000 kilograms per meter cubed multiplied by 66 meters cubed per second. We'll get 66,000 kilograms per second for our mass flow rate, which is m dot. Step 7, we want to find the specific mechanical energy formula, so little e mech. So that is your potential energy. So potential energy is your elevation multiplied by gravity. Note that it's specific mechanical energy, so we don't need mass. Step 8, find the specific mechanical energy. So it's gravity multiplied by the elevation. So 9.81 meters per second squared multiplied by 91 meters. Make sure you multiply your conversion factor to get it into the correct unit, which is kilojoules per kilogram. So your specific mechanical energy is 0.8927 kilojoules per kilogram. Step 9, we can now find the maximum power. So we needed mass flow rate and the specific mechanical energy. So step 6 is the mass flow rate right here. And then step 8 is the specific mechanical energy. Okay, so now we just plug and play. We will get 58.92 megawatts for the maximum power. Step 10, now we can fully backtrack and find the electrical power. And that will solve our question. So 85% is given in the question. 58.92 megawatts is in step 9, what we just found previously. So we multiply these together, we'll get 50.08 megawatts of power generated by the hydroelectric dam or power plant. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the Start button in the Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the Replay button on YouTube. Let the video finish, hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.